What are you doing to achieve that goal? As many of you know, because I won't stop talking about it, I'm in the process of moving. Well, packing. The move hasn't actually started yet. But this weekend I was packing my clothes and came across some of my old favorite jeans that are a size too small. And I do what I do every time I see these. Oh, I can't wait to fit into these. Here's a goal I have. I really want to fit into those. I know you're thinking, what does this have to do with art? Stick with me. I'm going somewhere with this. I hope. Probably. Maybe. It hit me. I've been saying for years I was going to fit in those jeans again. And it has been years. They've been in my closet all that time. I probably just should have donated it to somebody who could fit into them. But for years I've been saying that, but not doing anything about it. I've just been sitting around assuming I was going to reach that goal just from wishing for it to happen. As artists, we go through the same thing. I want to make a living as an artist. I want to improve my drawing skills. I want to be able to quit my day's job so that I can do nothing but paint and draw, which as far as art business goes, I don't think you ever get to just paint and draw, so hate to burst that bubble. There's a lot to the business side of being an artist. But we set these goals. What are you going to do to achieve them? What are you going to change to make those happen? Because if you've not hit that goal yet, whatever you're doing now probably isn't, you need to do some more. We watch and read all of this motivational content, but we don't always sit down once we set those goals, because they tell you, set a goal, you have to have a goal. What are you doing to achieve that goal? Let's say you want to improve your painting and drawing. You have to actually get up and go to that easel and spend time painting and drawing. Just wishing for it to happen, whether that be through reading books, watching videos, or sitting on the couch reading newspapers. I don't know. That was just, I don't know what people do when they sit on the couch. I don't have time to sit on couches. I'm just making stuff up. You can read all the books, you can watch all the videos. If you don't get to the easel, if you don't start painting, you're not going to hit those goals. Let's say you want to get your art into a gallery. What are you doing to make that happen? You want to sell your artwork online. What are you going to do differently to make that happen? We have to not just have goals, but figure out what we're going to do to achieve those goals. This whole video is brought to you by the jeans that don't fit. Have you subscribed yet? If not, I have a handy button right there. It's round, has an orange arrow going towards it. If you click on that, that'll help you to keep up to date with all of my new art videos every single week.